So like that guys, if you want to print till 60, it will give print this. If you want to print this 50, it will give till 34. Okay, so this is the output actually. This is 1 2 3 5 8 13 21 34. So like that we have to print. Okay, that is called Fibonacci series. So how to print this one guys? Let's see. So here for that we have to print. So guys, for that I have taken the class name, Fibonacci series and man method. Then just I have to use here int a equal to 0 and int b equal to 1. Why I am using here a equal to 0? Because it is the first Fibonacci series, okay, which is stored in a like I showed here. This is the example. Suppose 0 plus 1, okay, equal to 1. So a equal to 0. So here this is the a position, okay, and this is the b position, okay. So guys, 0 here and 1 here. So what it will give? 1. So like that series will continue, okay guys. So after that what I have to do here, I have to print it, okay. So I am giving here print like what can I give? Fibonacci series is up to 50, okay guys. So I want to print till 50, okay. So how to print here? Okay, so this is the message I am giving, okay. So it will give print till 50. Then I have to use here while loop. While loop I am using like a less than or equal to, because a always be less than, because here 0, okay. So it should be less than or equal to 50. Then I have to give one message like a plus some message should be there, okay. So I am giving this. So what is this? Like print, it will print the current Fibonacci number, okay, like 0 1 1 2 3. The output will come now, that one it will print. So after that I am using here int. So int next equal to a plus b, okay. So what is this? It will calculate like next Fibonacci number, like 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 1 plus 1 equal to 2, okay. Then I am comparing here a equal to b and b equal to next, okay guys. So this I am comparing here a equal to 1, okay. So a equal to b I am comparing, okay guys. So what is this? Like it will move in the second number into first number, like a equal to 1, okay, and b equal to next means it will store newly calculated number into b, okay. So after that I am closing the here while loop, here closing the main method, and this is closing the class, okay. Let's check the output. So yeah guys, see, it is printing properly this output, okay. See here till 34 as I explained earlier. Suppose I want to check here till 100. So guys, very simple, just you have to use here 100, just give the number, okay. So it will print. So guys, yes, it is printing till 89, okay. So like it, we can check it guys, okay. This is a very simple question guys. If you practice it, you can do that. So okay guys, if you like my channel, then please hit the like button and do subscribe. Thank you for watching.